Welcome back to Quizlo, Animals and Nature Part 1. Big, small, fast, and feathered. Let's go on the wildlife safari of the mind. You got this! Heavyweight champion, what is the largest land animal? The elephant. The African elephant is the largest land animal. One more. Born to run. What is the fastest land animal? The cheetah. The cheetah can sprint over 100 kilometers per hour. Tricky one. Giant of the deep. What is the largest animal in the ocean? The blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever. Stay sharp. Fan of feathers. Which bird is famous for its colorful tail? The peacock. The peacock fans out a colorful tail. Next one. Sweet harvest. What do bees collect from flowers to make honey? Nectar. Bees turn flower nectar into honey. Here we go. Loyal companion. Which animal is known as man's best friend? The dog. Dogs are called man's best friend. Ready? In the pouch. What is a baby kangaroo called? A joey. A baby kangaroo is a joey. Let's go! Master of disguise. Which animal changes color to blend in? The chameleon. Chameleons change color to blend in. Get ready! Tiny acrobat. Which bird can fly backwards? The hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that fly backwards. Ooh, tricky! Lurking in rivers. Which reptile is known for its powerful bites? The crocodile. Crocodiles have one of the strongest bites. Focus. Creatures of the night. What do we call animals active after dark? Nocturnal. Nocturnal animals are active at night. Keep going. Hear it roar. Which animal is the king of the jungle? The lion. The lion is called king of the jungle. Coming up. Hunting together. What is a group of wolves called? A pack. Wolves travel in a pack. Don't blink. Many arms. Which sea creature has 8 of them? The octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. What's this? On the ice, what is the largest species of bear? The polar bear. Wild work. The polar bear is the largest bear. And that's the whole zoo. Are you a true animal expert? Drop your score below. Animals Part 2 is next.